start thinking about this guy.
First time to fight in Bacolod City, si Villanueva. All of his fights have been in Cotabato.
Miss with the right. Good. Beautiful right. Good combination.
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw pod sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. Pinoy prospect at undefeated na si Lorenzo Villanueva na may bansag na Thunderbolt ay nakasagupa na pala niya noon ang kilabot na Indonesian boxer ngayon na si James Mokoginta. Nangyari ang laban nila noong April 6, 2011 na ginanap sa Bacolod City dito sa Pinas. Ang laban ay para sa pagdipinsa ni Villanueva sa kanyang WBO Oriental Featherweight title. Bit-bit ng Indonesian challenger ang kartadang 15 wins, 4 losses, 1 draw, 4 dito via KO. Habang itong Pinoy champion ay may malinis na kartada na 19 wins, 0 loss, 18 via knockout. Sa mismong araw ng bakbakan ay sobrang malupit ang ipinakita ng ating kababayan. Ilang beses na maso ng mga malakulog niyang mga kamao itong dayo. Sa 19 na laban itong Pinoy ay isa lang ang umabot sa desisyon. Talagang may solidong kamao ang batang ito.
19 wins, no loss, but the opponent Indonesian mas matangkad, 5'7", pero mas mahaba ang reach ng Pinoy. So the Indonesian guy, Mokoginta.
Good 1-2 combination. See Villanueva. See him working the corner. Manny Pinola and it end this early.
Yep, looks like it. Pero mukhang handa rin itong si Mokoginta. He won his last fight in 2 rounds, Ronnie, against a Thai in Thailand.
See, Mokoginta has won his last 2 fights by stoppage.
Yeah.
So he is not that easy a fighter.
No, he's got good physique. He came into the ring saying his prayers, knelt down.
See, cracking left hand by Villanueva.
Right, Villanueva wants to finish this guy off early. Oh, wow. He likes that left, looping left.
Yes, because he's got power.
We got the Indonesian coach telling his fighter to back off. No body fat whatsoever. He's a very disciplined fighter. Man, this guy is...
He's a whirlwind.
Yeah, he's like he wants to finish him off. Like this second, we've got the rock the other guy again. Second time, Indonesian guy's backing off. Umaatras na. Coach ng Indonesian is just screaming non-stop.
Sa huling segundo ng unang round, sa full sa kombinasyon itong challenger at napaluhod ito sa lona. Bumangon pa naman ito at pilit ituloy ang laban. Tuloy na nakipagsabayan sa ating kababayan.
Bacolod City, si Villanueva, all of his fights have been in Cotabato.
Miss with the right. Good. Beautiful right. Good combination. The Indonesian is looking at this.
Tapusin ito sa unang round.
Villanueva is going
na
after him.
si Kidlat. Wow. It's just like making bellow with his left.
Another flurry of punches.
Side comes back though.
Yeah,
Not letting up.
there goes the bell and
Second round, tuloy ang basagan. Makikitang sobrang gigil na nitong Pinoy. Gusto nang tapusin itong dayong kalaban.
Here are the children of the brother of Governor Manny Piñol. It's a
beautiful left hand by Villanueva. Pero mukhang matibay itong
matibay
Indonesian.
Indonesian. Yeah. And I think the corner's also confusing him. He's speaking non-stop.
Yeah.
I told you.
At matapos ang mahigit 1 minuto, huli na naman sa kombinasyon itong kalaban at bagsak sa pangalawang pagkakataon sa kanilang sagupaan.
Machine gun. He followed up with the second, able to keep his arms up while the Indonesian lowers his shorts, whatever that means.
Villanueva hard right to the side of the body. He's clubbing this Indonesian.
Indonesian's covering up.
Mokoginta. He says, come on.
But he's still baiting him, Tapang rin. Down again.
That's not a knockdown.
Got Villanueva, red shorts. Mokoginta from Indonesia, white and blue.
You know, Billy Dib was supposed to fight Villanueva, but he backed out at the last minute because I think he was scared of the record of Villanueva. This kid's good. I mean, he's got power.
Sabi ni Piñol, he believes this guy will be a world champion someday.
Some finesse.
Yeah.
Power will not help alone. You need other
Need
attributes.
some refinement, but that comes with boxing and training.
Look at Manny Pacquiao. When he was a
Yeah,
kid,
from
he
a
was nothing.
brawler, now he's a really
Finesse
good
fighter.
boxer. Yep. Crowds enjoying this. Villanueva continues to...
Alam mo na, he comes back. Good flurry by the Indonesian.
Oh, Indonesian
Ginta.
matapang rin. Alam mo, mas matangkad yung Indonesian, but like we said earlier, mas mahaba ang reach ni Villanueva. But the Indonesian is a tough guy.
No question. Good right
Yeah,
hook
tough guy.
by Villanueva. Beautiful.
Ngayon may Indonesian, may cross. Pero hindi siya nagbaback off, ha?
No, he's not.
Ayan, he's right in there, staying right in there.
Matapang.
That's the end of 2. Okay, here we go. Ito ay mula sa round 2. Let's watch Villanueva naka-red. Oh, and again, that looping.
Left hand. Caught him flush on there.
Sa mga sumunod na mga rounds, di pa rin nasindak itong si Moko Ginta. Kahit sa lungga ng kalaban pa siya lumaban, ay di makikitang umatras ito sa salpukan. Bahagyang nakabawi pa sa Pinoy. Tila di masyadong naalog o napuruhan sa mga kamaong sinalo mula sa knockout artist nating pambato.
Yes.
Good hard right and left.
So far, si Lorenzo hasn't fought anyone of this height,
On this caliber, I guess.
caliber, yeah. So this is a good test for
Good test for him.
Villanueva. Undefeated ang Pinoy. Whoa, wow.
Flurry of
Left
punches.
right there to the pin the
Good combination by Moko Ginta
yeah, to the body of Villanueva.
on the side of the head.
Remember, Moko Ginta's won his last 2 fights.
He was down in round number 1. He was down in round number 2, but he's
Bumalik siya
fighting.
this- yeah,
He's
good round
fighting.
three.
He's fighting really hard.
I wish I could understand what the Indonesian was saying. I'd love to know what he's blurting out. Napagod si Villanueva dito sa round 3. Sobrang agresibo siya sa round 1 and 2.
Alam mo na, he's throwing everything. I can see parang konting desperation on the face of
He
Villanueva.
looks tired. He looked tired in that 3rd round running. Really good first 2 rounds. So here we go, round 4. Ang kalaban, even if he goes down early, doesn't always end that way. And you know, these Indonesians got a pretty good attitude, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, he was actually smiling at us during that break, enjoying himself.
Well, alam mo na ito yung Indonesian, he comes back with some really solid rights.
Yeah.
After a flurry by Villanueva, then he comes back with right uppercut. Villanueva against the ropes.
Indonesian has a
Villanueva, his timing is a little off. And Moko Ginta telling him, come on.
Tony Mietes versus the Mexican Vasquez.
Good right hand by Moko Ginta. Alam mo, umpisa, masaya ng tao dito kasi baksak ang 2 beses yung Indonesian. Ngayon, mukhang iba yun.
Villanueva really slowed down and he got out.
You know, like I was saying at the press conference, boxing in Indonesia has improved a lot. They got some really good fighters back.
Oh, another good round for Moko Ginta.
Villanueva comes back with a 1-2. Moko Ginta ends it and embraces Villanueva.
5th round, tuloy ang maaksyong basagan.
In Bacolod City. Wow, couple of good shots by Moko Ginta.
Round number 5 na po ito. This is a 12-round fight.
You know, on July 4th, 2009,
So after 2 solid rounds by Villanueva, medyo bumalik yung Indonesians sa round 3 and 4. This is round 5. First 2 rounds.
si Villanueva, palagay ko, good left hand by Villanueva.
Alam mo, parang bato itong Indonesian. Like you said, Villanueva is giving it his all in every punch. Pero the Indonesian is right there.
Pero sa huling minuto, tinudo na ni Lorenzo Villanueva ang kanyang mga kamao sa pull sa combo itong kalabang dayo at bagsak na naman ito.
Looks a little bit.
Both of them, I think, are tired out. Villanueva caught him with a good left that time. And then flurry to the body, and he's going down.
Wow! See, that was
Di na ito nakatayo pa sa bilang, kaya diniklarang panalo ang ating kababayan via 5th round KO. Nadipinsaan ang titulo at napanatili ang malinis na kartada nito.
trainer niya. Tumayo ka, sabi ng fighter, ayoko na, masakit ang chin ko. He pointed to his stomach.
Yes, yes.
Let's watch it again. Okay, so it was an uppercut.
You know, the
Bagsak
punch,
yung Indonesian.
yung problema niya, the punches early.
Nasaktan siya dun sa earlier punch.
Lorenzo Villanueva retained.
Sa mga balita ngayon sa Indonesia, ay isa na si Mukuginta sa kilabot nilang bata. At sa kasalukuyan ay champion na siya sa Asia. Bisitahin nyo rin ang YouTube channel ng mga kaibigan ko mga pre na sina Philippine Sport History, Boy Astig PH, Usapang Sports at John Boxing TV. Gumagawa din sila ng mga video na siguradong magugustuhan ninyo. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, Amping Permi.